In this video, I'm going to introduce you to flag embeddings. Flag embeddings is a tool that converts text into low-dimensional dense vectors, making it suitable for various applications such as retrieval, classification, semantic search, and clustering. This tool from FlagOpen can also be utilized in vector databases for LLMs, and I believe this is where it is going to shine in the future. In this video, let me show you how you can install it and an example of it. I'll be using Google Colab Notebook for it, but you can use any Linux instance or AWS SageMaker Notebook. So let's get started. This is my Google Colab Notebook, and you can see on the top right, I have selected the runtime as T4. If you are using CPU, go to click on this downward arrow or in the menu in the runtime and change the runtime type to T4 GPU. Save it and then click on plus code. Let's first install this flag embedding with pip install -u flag embedding. That shouldn't take too long as it's very lightweight and quick, which is the thing which I like about it. So you can see that it is installed. Now in the next step, I'm going to show you how you can use flag embedding. So all you need to do is to simply import that flag model from flag embedding. I'm having a couple of sentences in Chinese, and then I'm using this model by BGE large one. I think by this BGE stands for by general embedding, and then this will first download this model, and then it will pass on this query instruction for retrieval, and then it will generate a couple of embeddings, then will show us the similarity. Let me run it. Okay, so you can see how quick it was. It downloaded the model, and then it has given us this similarity from the embeddings. And embeddings, if you don't know, are simply the numerical representation which is used in the semantic search, and mainly it is used in the RAG or retrieval augmented generation. And we store them in any of the vector databases. And I have numerous videos explaining how you can use embeddings and RAG. So I hope that you liked it. If you already are using it or you can think of any use cases, please share it in the comment, and I will also share the link of this GitHub repo in video's description where you can read more information. As you see on their GitHub repo, which I just showed you, they also support a lot of other models like this re-ranker large, re-ranker base with PGE, and then some of them are in English, some of them are in Chinese, and some of them are in both. So that's it, guys. I hope that you liked it. And if you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.